Now see this question that has been asked in GATE 2009. Here question says that how many 200 watt by 220 volt lamps need to be connected in series that would consume same total power as one lamp of 100 watt to 20 volt. Here in this lamp we know that P is equals to V square by R. So what is R? R is equals to V square by P. For this lamp V square is equals to 220 square by 200. So it is the resistance of this lamp, and we have to connect these lamps in series to make the total power consumed equal to the power consumed by this lamp. Now what is the resistance of this lamp? Suppose resistance of this lamp is equals to RT. So that is equals to 220 square by 100. So to make the power consumed equal, we have to connect n number of lamps of resistance R to make the power equals to the power consumed by this lamp. So when we connect them in series, then equivalent resistance of these lamps connected in series must be equal to this resistance. Only in that case power is equal. So suppose n number of lamps are connected, it means NR must be equals to RT. So what is the value of N? Here N into what is R is equals to 220 square by 200. That is equals to 220 square by 100. So here we get N is equals to 2. So two lamps are connected in series that would consume same total power as that consumed by one lamp of 100 watt by 220 volt. So this is the answer of this question. Now see this question that has been asked in GATE 2007. Here this circuit is given. This is 3 volt source. This is 2 ohm resistance, and this is a non-linear resistance whose characteristic equation is given by VNL is equals to INL square. So here in this question we have to find the power dissipated by non-linear resistor. So here first we will apply KVL in this loop. So when we apply KVL, we get 3 is equals to 2INL square. This is INL square current, okay, plus this voltage VNL. And we know that VNL is equals to INL square. So that's why we can replace this INL by VNL. So we can write 3 is equals to 2 VNL plus VNL. From this we get VNL is equals to 1 volt. When VNL is 1 volt, then what is INL? INL is also equals to 1 volt because that is equals to root. VNL is equals to root 1, that is equals to 1 volt. Now after getting INL, we can easily find the power dissipated by this nonlinear resistance. What is power? Power P is equals to V into I. And what is V? V is equals to 1 and I is also equals to 1. So we get 1 watt. So 1 watt is the answer. Now see this question here. Voltage VL is related to current IL. According to the relation, VL is equals to 16 minus 4 IL square, and IL when IL is greater than 0 and less than 2, okay, and VL is equals to 0 when IL is greater than equals to 2. So here this relation between VL and IL is given. This is source and this is load. This is voltage VL, this is current IL. We have to find the IL that maximize the power absorbed by the load. So first we will find the power P that is transferred from source to load. So P power is equals to simply this voltage into current. We know that power is equals to voltage into current. And what is voltage? That is VL and current is IL. So this is the power transferred from source to load. So what is, we know that from 0 to 2 power is given by, this voltage is given by 16 minus 4 IL square. So we can write 16 minus 4 IL square into IL. So we get, okay, VL is equals to 16 minus 4 IL square. So we get 16 IL minus 4 ILQ. So here we have to find the maximum power absorbed by the load. This power is maximum, so we will simply use the concept of maxima minima. So we find that dP by dIL. So what is it? It is equals to 16 minus 8 IL square. Okay, sorry. 16 minus 12 IL square. 12 IL square, and we put it equals to 0. So we get IL is simply equals to, IL square is equals to 16 by 12, and we get IL is equals to 1.155 ampere. Okay, so we take simply the under root of this 16 by 12, we get 1.155 ampere. So this is the answer of this question. Now see this question. Here in this question, two waveforms are given. This is voltage waveform and this is current waveform, and we have to find the energy E. Okay, we know that energy E is equals to integration 0 to t. T is the time period for which we have to find the energy, and P is the power at any time t into dt. So this is the formula of energy. Now we know that power is equals to voltage into current, and here the equation of voltage is constant from 0 to 1, that is equals to, here it is equals to, suppose this is 10. Okay, so this is 10 volt from 0 to 1 constant, but the equation of current changes from 1 to 2. From 0 to 1 we can see that equation of current is 1 minus e to the power minus 7t, and from 1 to 2 equation of current is e to the power minus 7 t minus 1. Okay, but the current, this voltage from 1 to 2 is equals to 0. Okay, now how we can write this? From 0 to 1 equation of voltage is equals to 10, and what is equation of current? That is equals to 1 minus e to the power minus 7t dot dt plus, now we will take integration from 1 to 2. From 1 to 2 equation of voltage is 0 and equation of current is e to the power minus 7t minus 1 dt, and after that equation of both current and voltage is 0, so plus 0. So now energy E is simply equals to, this is 0 into e to the power minus 7t minus 1 is equals to 0. Now what is this? Integration of this is equals to 10 t limit 0 to 1 minus 10 e to the power minus 7t, this negative will make it positive, by 7. Okay, and here also limit is 0 to 1. Now on solving this we get, that is equals to 10 minus 0, 10 plus 70 by 7 minus 1 by 7. So this we get on integration. If you solve this, then you will get the answer. Here answer is given that E is equals to 8.5 joules. Just try to solve this. You will get this answer that E is equals to 8.5 joule. So this is the solution of this question. So in this way you can approach a question when you have to find the energy E.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.